In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to programmatically truncate/shorten text in Webflow. If you've ever had long text spill out of a card, a collection item, or a banner and break your layout, truncation is the clean, reliable way to keep designs tidy. It shortens text automatically and adds an ellipsis so your content looks consistent across different screen sizes and data sources. Start by opening your project in the Webflow Designer and navigating to the page where your text lives. Make sure you're on the canvas so you can see your design as you work. This gives you immediate visual feedback when you apply truncation, especially useful with real content from your CMS. Next, click the text element you want to shorten. This can be a paragraph, a heading, a link, or a text block inside a collection, list, or component. When the element is selected, you'll see its blue outline on the canvas. If your text is nested in a component or a collection, use the navigator to ensure you've selected the actual text node, not just its parent wrapper. That way, the style change applies exactly where you need it. With the element selected, go to the Style panel on the right. This is the paintbrush icon, and it's where you control typography, spacing, and layout. Check which selector you're editing at the top of the panel. If the element uses a class, truncation will apply to every instance of that class across your site, which is great for repeating layouts like cards. If it's unclassed, consider the impact before styling, since tag level changes can be broad. The key is to apply truncation where it makes design sense. Now, find and click truncate. This activates Webflow's built-in truncation, so overflow text is neatly shortened. You'll typically see an ellipsis appear when the content exceeds the available space. Depending on your layout, you can keep it to a single line or configure it to clamp to multiple lines so blocks remain balanced. As you toggle truncation, watch the canvas and adjust the element's width, max width, or parent container size to dial in the exact visual result. The effect is responsive, so it adapts naturally as your layout changes. A few practical tips as you finish. Preview across breakpoints to make sure truncation behaves well on mobile and tablet. Avoid truncating critical information like prices or CTAs, and pair short previews with a detail page so visitors can read the full content. If your text comes from the CMS, truncation will apply automatically to each item, giving you clean, uniform lists. When you're happy with the result, you're set. Your text will stay tidy in both Designer and on Publish.